Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and explore what's driving their adoption or lack thereof. A recent national survey from the American Automobile Association has revealed that the average American is losing interest in going fully electric. But why? According to the 2025 edition of the AAA survey, only 16% of respondents said they're likely or very likely to purchase an EV, marking the lowest percentage recorded since 2019. That's a significant drop from 3 years ago when 25% expressed interest and 51% were against it. So what's behind this shift in consumer sentiment? One major reason cited by 62% of respondents is high battery repair costs, a concern that's certainly valid, but also one that we've been hearing more about as the number of EVs on the road increases. The overall purchase price is another key issue, with 59% of respondents citing it as a major drawback. But while concerns about cost and practicality are definitely valid, they're not the only factors at play here. Long-distance driving is becoming an increasingly big deal for many Americans, and EVs just don't quite fit the bill, at least, not yet. 57% of respondents said that EVs aren't suitable for extended travel, and 56% pointed to the lack of a convenient public charging network as a major concern. Now you might be thinking, but what about all the environmental benefits? And yes, saving money on fuel is definitely a draw for many people. 77% of interested respondents cited it as their top reason. But here's the thing. We're already seeing EVs become more affordable and widely available, so why aren't consumers taking advantage? Perhaps the answer lies in the lack of clarity around federal and state incentives. Only 39% of respondents in 2025 listed tax credits and rebates as a reason to go electric, down from 60% in 2022. And it's not just about money. Many people are simply unsure about the long-term benefits of EVs. That uncertainty is exactly what AAA Director of Automotive Engineering Greg Bannon wants to address. While the automotive industry is committed to long-term electrification and providing a diverse range of models, underlying consumer hesitation remains, he says. And that hesitation is going to be hard to overcome unless we start seeing more practical solutions, like convenient charging infrastructure and more affordable options. So what's next for EVs in America? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it's not going to be easy. We'll need to keep pushing forward, innovating and adapting to meet the changing needs of consumers. And that's where we come in at ElectroDrive News. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest news, analysis, and insights on the world of electric vehicles. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of ElectroDrive News. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth coverage of the EV industry. We'll be right back after these messages.